In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the total row command in a table. So we're going to go over to our spreadsheet. I'm still on the 09 Pet Pharma Sales workbook. I'm on the August sales worksheet. So all I'm going to do is simply click into my table somewhere. And when I do that, I want the Table Tools Design tab to pop up. That's what I'm trying to do. And all I have to do, this Table Styles Options group, these are options that are based off of our styles over here. And most styles have most of these, but we're going to click on Total Row. And what that does is at the bottom of our table, it's going to put a row in. On this one is row 94. It's going to place total to the left, and it's going to place our grand total to the right. And what we can do, we can add these along the rest of our row. When we click on one of these cells, it's going to give us a little drop down menu. So we're going to use item price column. So over here to the left of our $261,808.56, we're going to click on here. We have a little down arrow. And so we have choices. We don't have to do the sum. We can pick a different one. And we want to do the average, and that'll give us the average cost of each item. So the average cost of each item is $27.72. Number sold, we could do that too. We could do average. Gives us an idea how much are sold for each number of cases or whatever this table's about. It gives us information. So that's all you have to do. And once you turn it on, you have the choice of putting these in each one of these columns.